Meaning of hot swap.
Hot swap.
Hot swap.
Hot swap.
Hot swap. The term hot swap refers to the ability to replace or add components to a system without shutting it down. In other words, hot swapping enables a user to remove or add hardware devices while the system is still running, eliminating the need for a computer shutdown and reboot. The benefits of hot swapping include reduced downtime, improved system availability, and increased productivity. It is commonly used in applications such as servers, storage systems, and networking devices, where system availability is critical. Overall, hot swapping is a valuable feature that enables users to maintain and upgrade their systems more effectively and efficiently.